Introduction to Nursing Research. Introduction to Nursing Research. Today we are going to discuss about the Unit 1 Research, that is Introduction to Research and Nursing Research. Research comes from the French word re plus search, which means search again. And research means a careful search. We should search carefully, and investigation or systematic investigation towards increasing the sum of knowledge. So by searching we'll be getting the knowledge, increasing the knowledge. It will be summing on, the knowledge will be summing on. And research has proved to be an essential and powerful tool in leading man towards progress. It is being proved that it is an essential and powerful tool in leading man towards the progress. Okay. And research is a matter of raising question. It is a matter of raising question: how, what, why, when, and then trying to finding answer about what are the questions we will be raising. To that questions will be finding the answer also. And the goal of all research is progress and development for good and comfortable life. What is the goal? To be good and comfortable life, so that we'll do the research. Each year, new products, new facts, new concepts, and new ways of doing things came into lives due to ever increasing significant research in physical, social, biological, and psychological fields. Okay. The process of gathering information for the purpose of initiating, modifying, or terminating a particular investment or group of investments. What is the process of research? It is a gathering of all the information for the purpose of initiating, starting, and modifying, and then terminating a particular investment, means ending, terminating, or group of investment. It might be particular investment or a group of investment. Okay. Then we'll discuss about the definition of research. Definition of research: research defined as an organized, systematic, data-based, critical, scientific inquiry or investigation into a specific problem undertaken with the objective of finding answers or solutions. It is defined as organized. It should be organized step by step, and systematically, and data based. Data should be there. And critical, it should be critical. And scientific inquiry or investigation, it should include scientific inquiry or investigation into a specific, for the specific problem undertaken with objectives. What are the goals for the research? Of finding answers or solutions to that goals we have listed down. This is one definition. And coming to the other definition: research is a careful inquiry or examination in seeking facts or principles and diligent investigations to ascertain to something. Okay. Then there is one short and easy definition: research is a process systematically searches for new facts and relationships. Noter. It is given by Noter. Research is a process systematically searches for new facts and relationships. Okay. Next, we'll go to the definition of nursing research. We have studied about definition of research. Now we will study about the definition of nursing research. Nursing research is a systematic inquiry designed to develop knowledge about issues of importance to the nursing profession including nursing practice, education, administration, or informatics. Nursing research is a systematic inquiry designed to develop knowledge about issues important to the nursing profession, including nursing practice, education, administration, and informatics. Then, criteria for good research. Coming to the criteria, what are all the criteria included for a good research? Means main points. What is the main criteria? The purpose or goal of the research should be clearly defined. First one, it should be clearly defined. What is the purpose and what is the goal? We should define it clearly. And coming to the second criteria, the simple and common concept should be used. We should use the simple and common concepts, not as difficulty and complex concepts should not be used. It should be simple and common. And third criteria is the procedural design of research should be clearly planned and designed to get objective results as much as possible. The procedural design, research design should be clearly planned and designed to get objective results. The design should be planned like we should get the results easily to the particular research design. And fourth one is according to the nature of problem, the sampling design should be used. What is the nature? According to the nature of problem, the design should be used. And the tools used to research should have reliability and validity. It should have reliability and validity. Validity means validity, till when it can be used, or it can be run. An expiry date will be there. For any product there will be an expiry date. Like that, for the problem also there will be a validity till when we can do. That is known as validity. And the research procedure should be defined clearly and sufficiently in detail, so that another researcher can repeat the same procedure for verification and advancement. This will maintain the continuity in research. The research procedure should be defined clearly. We should define clearly, like first the process. First is the statement, after that the objectives, then it comes that research design or abstract, then the flow charts, that the procedure or method or the steps should be followed clearly, so that same will be used for further researches for verification, and it will maintain the continuity of the research, so that the steps will not miss in everyone. Okay, then next criteria is the research analysis should have appropriate method of analysis for a collected data. There should be appropriate method of analysis for collected data. What is the data we have collected? To analyze that, appropriate method should be used. Which method? That should be clearly defined. And next is the analysis of data should be sufficiently adequate to reveal its significance from the results. The analysis of data should be sufficiently adequate. Data should be adequate to reveal significance from the results. Next, one conclusion should be drawn from the results. Discussions, because it is an essence of research work. And conclusion should be included in the research, so that we'll get to know how it has happened, how it has concluded, and there will be a small discussion about the research. So it is important to add one conclusion in the research at the end. And the prepared research report should be without any bias, favor. There should be no any bias. It should not be done for the sake of research. It should be involved and done. There should not be any bias. All the data should be proper and correct. The purpose of research should be clearly defined and common concepts be used. The what is the purpose of doing research? Why we are doing that should be clear, and common concepts should be used. We should use the concepts commonly, not in the complicated way where some students or some persons cannot understand. So it should be defined commonly. The research, next one, the research procedure used should be described in sufficient detail to permit another researcher to repeat the research for further advancement. Mm, Keeping the continuity of what has already been attained, the procedural design of the research should be carefully planned to yield results at our objective as possible. And next one is the researcher should report with complete frankness flaws in procedural design. It should be frank. That researcher should be frank, should do the research frankly. No any flaws are there, that they should say what are the flaws, where are the flaws occurred, and estimate their effects upon the findings, and find the where are the flaws are coming, and then look back and check from the starting and see where the flaws are occurring, due to which design or which particular step the flaw is coming, that we should correct it. And next one, the analysis of data should be sufficiently adequate. The data analysis should be adequate to reveal its significance, because we cannot give one or two paragraph. It is not enough. It should be detailedly described, so that we'll know why, what is the significance, why they are doing. And the methods of analysis used should be appropriate. It should be appropriate, particular. The validity and reliability of the data should be checked carefully. You should check the validity and reliability, otherwise it will be biased. And conclusion should be confined to those justified by the data of the research. Conclusion should be confined, particularly confined to the data of research. What data we are collecting, what research we are doing, that should include and confine to the conclusion, and limited to those for which the data provide on adequate basis, and should be limited to that data only.